But I'm gonna start a new one. As y'all can see, hopefully I can see it clear. But actually no, I'm gonna zoom back in first and then we'll shrink the screen again. But you see here, I have buttons for just quick things. I wish I had like images or whatever. I have a big red cancel button. I created that. I just haven't created the other ones yet. This is a chair emote. Some of them are emotes, some of them are not. I didn't specify because I know personally what they are. This is a chair emote. So how I created this chair emote, you guys have the Stream Deck. This is the /e space sit chair emote, where you go and you're trying to like just sit basically in a chair in any office setting or anywhere or whatever. But I have it to where I can push this, go to it. Well, now they have some of the chairs in the hospital now that I can go and just, you know, push the button and sit down in them. But in other places, like say I was going somewhere or I'm at home in my own hot tub or something, I can hit this one button, April, sit down in the hot tub and enjoy a beer. You know what I'm saying? So that button comes in handy. My next favorite one is, hold on, wait, let's go back. Mechanic. You guys see me use mechanic a lot because every time I'm like working on somebody, people are here like crunching of a wrench or whatever, and it's actually pretty funny because they're like, what the heck are you doing? Did you just smell that? And they just start asking me funny questions as I'm RPing, like fixing up this person or whatever. And but how I do like the quick motions or quick emotes and everything, I have a mechanic button. Injuries is how I check for injuries. Y'all realize how I pull out my clipboard so darn fast every time I'm talking to somebody. I have this stuff like down packed. When I get in my car, I don't have to slash engine every single time I get in my car. I push a button and my car starts up. While I'm in the car, I can push a button and it'll turn off. Like, simple as that. When I go home, when I go into my house, I have a button over here off to the side. It's called enter home. I'll push that button as soon as I get to the door. I don't have to slash enter. None of that. I don't have to do any of that craziness. But how I got these set up, you know, you can export the file and give it to other people. I can export the file, but some people don't know how to do that. That's why I'm going to like step by step to let them know, like, hey, if you have the application, then this will work out for you. Oh, it shrunk down a little bit for me. Oh, nice. Okay. So basically how I got these functions to work, go to an empty space and a multi-action, drag it to empty space. Start here. It's really simple. It's just time consuming trying to get it all set up. But you can make folders of these different things. So like you got a whole bunch of emotes you want to add, but there's not a room or any room for your actual Stream Deck. I have an Excel, so I use a good amount of emotes. Multifunction. You want to use a hotkey. Your hotkey is basically your T muscle, because it automatically opens up the chat bar for you. And then after you push that T muscle, you want this to do something. Dance slow, I think 3 is like my favorite one or something like that. And then at the bottom of it, it says press enter after message, because you know when you type in /E space, you know, dance or whatever the case, you have to press enter for it to work. Then that's basically where that comes into play. My phone is loud. But make sure you press your E muscle or press enter after message. Once you're done there, you've created it. Go back to it, put a name on it. And then like make sure you're not like technically RPing at the time. I mean, I know a lot of people would, you be talking or whatever, everybody be RPing, having a decent conversation and everything, but you'll get somebody like dancing with the laser lights, and then next thing you know, they're doing a backflip or whatever. They're testing out, you know, the different emotes and stuff that you can do, possibly on the menu or just typing stuff in, where you finally figure out which ones you actually like. They give you the code for it. Okay, jot this down somewhere. Use this technique that I showed here. Put a title on it, and you have it right here. So this one's gonna be named Dance. Wait, I put this in all caps so I can see it because my behind is blind. I press enter on to kind of center it because I don't have buttons or stickers for them just yet. So if I'm in the server, I press this button and I want to just randomly start dancing, boom.